In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Slack app. We'll keep this simple and clear, and by the end, you'll have the Slack desktop app ready to use on your Windows device via the Microsoft Store. Slack is a popular messaging and collaboration tool for teams, and installing it from the Microsoft Store is a safe, straightforward way to get the official app with automatic updates. First, open the Microsoft Store. On most Windows 10 and Windows 11 computers, you can find it on your taskbar as a shopping bag icon. If you don't see it there, click the Start button and type Microsoft Store, then select it from the search results. Give it a moment to load. Make sure you're connected to the internet so the store can fetch the latest apps. Next, search for Slack. Look for the search bar at the top of the Microsoft Store window. Click into it, type Slack, and press Enter. You should see Slack appear in the results. The official app typically shows the Slack logo, 4 colorful shapes forming a hash, and is published by the verified developer. If you see multiple results, choose the one that clearly indicates the official Slack desktop app. Double-check the name and icon to avoid lookalikes. Now click Slack to open its product page. This page gives you details like a brief description, screenshots, and user reviews. It's a helpful place to confirm you're getting the right app. If you want to be extra certain, glance at the category and the publisher information to ensure it's legitimate. You can also review the system requirements here, but most modern Windows devices meet them without any issues. Finally, click Install or Get. The exact button label can vary. Some systems show Get, others show Install, but both start the download. After you click, the Microsoft Store will handle everything automatically. You'll see the progress right on the button or along the top edge of the window. The speed depends on your internet connection, so give it a moment. If the button briefly changes to pending, that's normal while the store queues and verifies the download. Once the installation completes, you'll see an Open button on the Slack page, and the app will be added to your Start menu for easy access. That's it. You've successfully downloaded the Slack app from the Microsoft Store. If you don't see Slack right away in your apps list, try searching for Slack from the Start menu. Windows will find it instantly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Slack to stay organized and connected with your team.